Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See, let's not even talk about why I've been away the entire time. I've had a couple of things to deal with and kind of kept me away. So I apologize for not even giving you guys a heads up before I disappeared. But yeah, I'm back and we're going to get into everything that we normally do on this channel. And while I was away, I actually noticed that we had gained a couple of new supporters on the channel. So if you're a recent subscriber, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Thank you for subscribing my channel, and I hope that you get the value for which you have subscribed. And also shout out to already existing subscribers, and thank you for holding it down while I was away. So guys, this video actually isn't a hairstyling video or a chit chat video, but I need to introduce something, or maybe something to you. And this thing is my new assistant. You guys haven't met her. She's a girl to someone, yeah, whatever. So I'm just gonna get her out of this place. Ta-da! So I got this canvas blockhead about 2 weeks ago, and she's going to be my new model comb assistant. So you'll be seeing her a lot, especially when I have to style wigs or anything that will be requiring her presence. You know what? Let me just pull her out of the bag first and do a proper intro. So this is what she looks like, and she's 23 inches around here. So my head is 22, and that was I got 23. For example, if I have to make a wig for myself, it's not going to sit too tight. So I'd like for you guys to suggest a cute name for her. I have no idea what to name her, but she definitely needs a name, you know, just so our conversations are a lot easier on this channel. All right, so name suggestions, please leave them in the comments. All right guys, now if you know me well, you know that I'm somebody who likes to try to figure stuff out before I even get myself involved. I mean, it's not exactly a good thing, right? But sometimes I just like to do it because I feel like it helps me reduce the risks that will be involved. But in some cases, things like that just don't work. But in this case, I did that. And it was while I was doing all of my research on canvas heads that I realized that this canvas head cannot be washed, cannot be cleaned or anything. And I was like, what if I have to, you know, like do a dye job or a coloring job? So everything's just going to be messy and I'll keep using it like that. No, boo boo. So what I did was head over to the internet to see if I would find any articles, videos that, you know, could answer the questions I was already having in my mind about cleaning this stuff. So I came across a couple of YouTube videos. I'll put the links in the video description, and they kind of showed how you can cover this up really nicely and still be able to get it to do what you want it to do and not have it looking all messy and everything. Right, so that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll go ahead and cover this up. Of course, I'll show you how I'm doing that, so stay tuned. So essentially, you will need an oven turkey bag, a pair of scissors, masking tape, and any item with a firm handle. I'm going to be using my blow dryer brush, and finally a blow dryer. So if you don't know where to find an oven turkey bag, but your canvas head comes in a bag like this one in which mine came, you can just use that. It pretty much does the same thing as an oven turkey bag would. So first you want to identify the front and the back of the canvas. These would be the sides of the canvas where the 3 lines run from front to back, these lines. The flattest side is the front, which is similar to the face structure of an actual person. While the side that has a bit of a curve is the back area. just, the same way the back of an average human being's head would look. Something we call ogo in Nigeria, if you're familiar with that term. Next, I put the bag over the canvas head. Then I pulled it taut from front to back, twisted it all the way down, and secured with a masking tape. At this point, you also want to make sure that your tape goes right under the canvas head so that everything is firmly secured. Then I taped down the cat ears that were sticking up before proceeding to tape the entire canvas head. So from this point on, everything just gets easy, right? So first thing, you roll it all the way down, tape it, tape the cat ears sticking up. And once you tape that, you realize that you have the canvas head in the exact shape that it should be in. So what I'm just going to do now is start putting the tapes across the canvas head in a layered manner, such that each tape begins just at the center of the previous tape. So that way there will be little to no gaps between tapes, right? So you want to continue to tape until you have covered every area on the canvas. So if your tape is the same color as the bag you have used in covering your canvas head, you may want to feel certain areas, touch it, and be sure that you've actually taped it, because if the colors are the same, you might not realize that there are areas that haven't been taken care of. As a final step, I set my blow dryer on hot and ran it all over the taped canvas. Placing the palm of your hand over the air inlet grill can help to further increase the intensity of the heat coming out of the dryer. So make sure to not concentrate the dryer for too long on a particular spot to avoid burning the tape. And when you've done all of this, you'd see that your tape has pretty much relaxed and there's no air in it, and everything is just flat and nice the way we like it, and you're done. I'm so happy that I've been able to bring it to a point where even if it gets stained, it doesn't end up looking like juju. You can always just wipe it off because this is tape and stains don't stay on it. And I hope you guys followed through the process of me doing this. So like I said earlier, I'm going to leave the links to the 2 videos I watched before I was able to make mine, and if you'd like to check them out for more info, definitely do so. So yeah, that'll be it. Again, don't forget to suggest a name for our new assistant. Right guys, that would be all for this video, and bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.